Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Buffalo Harley Chick, and today we're going to be installing new docking hardware on my 2021 Harley Davidson Sport Glide so that we can go ahead and install a Sissy bar. Super excited about this. I have some trips coming up this year, and having the Sissy bar on the back is going to be really nice to be able to put my karaoke bag on the passenger seat and not have it fall backwards and scratch up the fender like I did last year without a Sissy bar. So this job is really simple. Shouldn't take very long to do. Probably say it's kind of like a beginner level type task. So really anybody can do it, especially if I can do it. So the first thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need a T45 bit in order to take the bolts off. The original bolts, we're gonna be using those instead of the bolts that came with the docking hardware, just because they are shorter and because I am still gonna have the bags on as well as the Sissy bar. I wanna make sure I have enough room to do both. So the first thing that we need to do is obviously take off the bags. Taking off the bags is super easy. Just gonna open up the bag. On the inside, there's a knob and you just twist it up and then close that. And then you're pretty much just gonna kind of pull back. And there we go. I also took a towel out just so that I can put the bags down on it so it doesn't scratch the paint. And we're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. All right, step one done. Step two is to take off these bolts here on the side of the fender. Now, when we put them on, you should probably use some Loctite. I don't have any Loctite, so I'm probably gonna skip that part. Get some Loctite, and then put that on there at a later time. Okay, so we got the first one off. Anyone else get super scared when they hear a noise like that, or is it just me? So we got both of them off, and this is what the original looks like. Just this piece here, and here, and you have the bolt. So we're gonna keep the original bolt because they are quite a bit longer. Take the new pieces out. So this is the bolt that comes with the docking station from Harley Davidson. So as you can see, it's a pretty big difference. So we're gonna put those aside. Now the new pieces, you will see that it's kind of hard to see in this, but this piece is a lot bigger and this piece is a little bit more narrow. So the bigger pieces are actually gonna go on back, and the bigger, smaller pieces are gonna go on the front. So you're gonna put the original bottom piece, and then you're gonna put this new piece. So as you can see, there's gonna be a spot for the saddlebag and then a spot for the Sissy bar. So we're gonna go ahead and put the big one on the back first. For some reason, it's not going in there. There we go. All right, that's why. So this piece, I had put it on this way, which was sticking this out further back than what it should have been. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that this piece is towards the back of the bolt. Now this should work. There we go. Little technical malfunction. It's on there pretty good. Now we're just gonna repeat the same process, but we're gonna go with the narrower piece. And throw that on there. Must be a lot of dirt in there. That's why it sounds kind of gross. All right. So now that's on there, we're just gonna repeat the same process on the other side. All right. So that part's done. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So those are what the bolts look like. And now we have 2 docking points. So next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just put the bags back on. Take this back one off so it's a little more covered. Go. So bag 1 is on. Bag 2. Nice and easy. So the next thing we're gonna do, final step, is to actually put the Sissy bar on. So back of the Sissy bar, there is a tab for each side. Pretty much just pull it and it will lock or unlock. So both of those are up. So with the Sissy bar, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the front part and line that up on the front bolt. And then this part is just gonna kind of clamp down. And there we have it. So now the Sissy bar is on. And it's kind of hard to see, but in there, it's docked here and here. So that's my first video. As you can see, it was super easy to go ahead and install the docking hardware as well as the Sissy bar. Only takes about 10 minutes or so, which isn't really too bad. If you liked this video, go ahead and click the link or the like button at the bottom of the page. And then also go ahead and feel free to hit subscribe. Would really help out the channel a lot as I am starting out and wanting to grow. This channel, you can expect to see more modifications to the motorcycle. There's a couple other things that I want to do. I'm gonna put some risers because the bars are pretty far up and down. I'm very short, I'm only 5'2". Also want to do a slip-on for the exhaust at some point. And then I'll have some moto vlogging too, but I live in Western New York, so the weather hasn't really been all that great for riding, but that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the channel and watching this video. And until my next one, take care, keep the shiny side up.